Hi guys, welcome back to Data Miner channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use macro without any code. No code is involved. All I'm going to show you is how to record the sequence, how to format your layout to be able to do this without writing any code. Here is a participant details form where details of participants will be entered, and this button is here to automate everything we do in this form. So we want it to be that anytime we click on this save, it will save all of the details input here and then clear it off, and we can input another participant details. The first thing to do is to link up the details required here underneath your form. To do that, let's copy these names and then paste it under. Let me minimize this. The next thing to do is to link the input cells to the details required. Use your equal to link each of them to their individual input cells. The last one, which is the allergies. Once you've done this, the next step is to create a response sheet, a sheet where each of the details of the participant will be recorded. Create a new sheet, rename this as responses or any one you choose to. Yes, and once you've done that, come here under the sheet again and copy the details. Just as you can see here, copy using Ctrl+C and come back under the responses, paste it, but do not paste it directly. Right click on this and paste special. So you paste it as values and transform it. Once you've done this, press your OK. Yes, you also want to format the heading, since this is your response sheet, to look as good as you want. Yes, bolding it, and you can even auto fit the column width. Yes, so once you've done that, this is the place where each of the responses collected from the form will be recorded. And I also want you to create another sheet called the rows. This is a space where we automate something, so it's just part of the automation process. You can hide it after we are done with what I want to show you. Now, to proceed with the automation process, ensure that you have filled in details into your details form. Come under the developers tab. If you do not have the developers tab, this is very important for this automation process. Right click on the ribbon and you can see customize the ribbon, then just check the developer menu. If you've done that, press your OK. Yes, so right here to record the sequence, we'll be using the record macro option here. Ensure that use relative references is unchecked, as this will have a lot of impact on your form after you've created it. Now let's record the sequence. Click on record macro, name it as participant details report. Ensure to separate it with an underscore. You can write a short key here, but we do not need that since we already have a button we want to assign this macro sequence to. So press your OK. And after you've done that, click on the details involved in the input cell, copy it under the row sheet you created, yes, and paste it, but do not paste it directly. Right click on the cell and paste special, so paste it as values and transpose and press your OK. Yes, once you've done this, copy this and come here under the response sheet. Under the response sheet, do not paste it directly. Come back to the home tab menu and under the cells tab here, you can see the insert option. Click on the drop down and click on insert copied cell. Click on that and click on shift cells down, as you want Excel to keep pushing down participant details that are being registered. So press your OK. Yes, so once you've done that, come back here under the sheet 1 and delete the details you just input. Delete everything. Yes, and press the first cell here. After you've done that, come back here under the developers tab and stop recording. A macro sequence is just a recording of your actions in Excel, like a replay button for your work. Just as we've recorded right now, it's just a replay. You are saying that the same process you just carried out now, you want that anytime you click on the button assigned to the macro, the same process should be done. And one click, everything repeats perfectly. The next step is to assign the macro recorded to the button. But before we do that, we do not want this to be showing, so you want to change the color to that of the surrounding cells. Yes, so once you've done this, you want to assign the macro recorded to the button. And how do you do that? You right click on the button and you can see assign macro, click on it and ensure to click on the macro you just recorded. It is very, very important. After you've clicked on the macro, press your OK. So let's see if this is working. Input a new detail. Click on save. Now is the moment of truth. Come here under the responses and you can see that Excel keeps pushing the new details of the participants. Can you see what I mean by that? Can you see, guys? This is how to create a macro sequence and also how to assign it to a button without writing any code whatsoever. I believe this tutorial was really helpful as macro sequence saves you time, reduce mistake, and makes Excel work for you. You can also use macro sequence to automate sales reports that you perform repetitive tasks like for every sales report you receive, you remove the blank rows, you assign, you sort it, you format the header. You can assign that also to a macro. If you want me to do that type of tutorial, comment below so I would know that you guys want those type of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications for more videos coming. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.